baby, I did not see them doing that. What's up, the lady one? Welcome to the Ride Eagle channel. This is your host. I'm out here on the stealth bomber, having a blast. What's today? Like the 6th of November, and it's 76 degrees out here today. I couldn't resist. I had to pull something out, so I elected to jump on the stealth bomber, go for a blast around the hood. Actually, I'm trying to catch up with this guy that fixes motorcycles, because I'm trying to change this Triple Tree up here. If anyone knows about this Triple Tree right here, and how could I get one on this with minimal effort? I found something that I like. I think it'll work. I never did it before, and I'm not sure. Well, go on. Everything, Chris? Yeah. If it's a tell me, so you probably can't help me. He can't help me either. What he's saying, man, don't do it. He said, man, that's an e-bike. That's not built for that. It's a bike, man. All these parts is interchangeable for the most part. Let's go up this way. Let's see what's around. Avenue. Matter of fact, I ain't even gotta do that. I was gonna check Carmelo, show him the bike, but I could just take this entire seat with the frame off and bring it to him. That's what I'm gonna do. I might have got some nice footage earlier. I want to see if I could get some more. Dang, I gotta go around. Normally I would go through Corp City. Damn. This thing is crazy right here. This thing is the ultimate cheat code. Yeah, y'all. Well, I'm out here. Oh my goodness. So now the only thing I gotta do, or the main thing I want to do, is change this Triple Tree. And they also have some BMX handlebars. I bought three sets of handlebars for this bike already. The handlebars that I put on there was just the handlebars that I had laying around. I just put those on there temporary. Those came on one of those folding bikes I had. But those are definitely too close to my comfort. But this is nice with the full throttle, you know, 3-inch raised bars. Triple Tree thing. That's more aesthetic. Might give me a better performance too, because I notice a lot of those pit bike, mountain bikes, also motorcycles have them. This thing just, I don't know why, but it bothers me. So yeah, hopefully I'll have that done pretty soon. But I'm sure somewhere I'll find something that works. I don't know what just happened just then. Yo. I don't know what happened just then. Did I do something? I gotta pay my mega million tonight. 1.9 billion. That's crazy though. So if you take all of it, you probably get close to $1 billion to walk with. Damn, what do you do with that? I could think of 1 billion things to do with that though. Or 2 billion things. That's generational wealth. You should never want anything money has to offer, man. That's generational wealth right there. $2 billion. I would definitely give a lot to my favorite charity. Sure what they was doing. I don't think they had on any signals or nothing. I did not see them doing that. I was busy paying attention to the speed, thinking like this ain't 25 or nothing like. Thank you, Lord. That was almost ugly. One very important thing, y'all, when you're riding an e-bike, never panic. Never panic. And most of the time, not all of the time, most of the time you got like 2-3 seconds to correct your mistake. Unless you're just flying 50-60 miles an hour, then, you know what I mean? And this bike, the torque is ridiculous. So even when you're doing 25, it's like, am I really doing 25? But I think when I'm doing 25, it's more like 30. Because I don't have it on. I probably should have put it on. I have one of those speed apps on here. The speed app's puts me a couple miles over, 4 to 5 miles over. Wave put me like 8 to 10 miles over, for the most part. Battery done, and I ain't bring a spare one. Low tide, wow. The water is really low. I don't know if I've ever seen it this low before. And you feel all 70 degrees right here in the sun. Wow, it's super warm. November 6th. The clocks went back on Saturday, so you know it's getting ready to be really dark out here. But yeah, 76 degrees. Yeah, I really never seen it this low before. Look at that. You can walk from there, go up to the other side. That's how low it is. Gosh. Yeah, this throttle is too... My goodness, I wasn't trying to do all of that. It's too loose, responsive, whatever you want to call it. But let's do it. We're going out into the ocean. Only thing with this bike is heavy, so it's hard turning it around. Ow! Keep my foot on one of them rocks. We're going out. We at? Damn, the tide is really super low. All this is usually covered. Water's usually somewhere right here. Wow. I'm gonna send my drone up. Alright, let's try to get off of this dam. Trying to get some epic footage for y'all. YouTube is dangerous. Yeah, creating on YouTube is dangerous. Almost fell into the ocean. I bust my ass. I can't even bend my leg, y'all. Gotta go home now with my leg straight. New Memorial Field. Nice. Something for the city. Memorial Stadium Field. Looks nice.